I found the fastest way to go from a raw story idea to a fully animated scene. And it's a feature most people haven't even discovered yet. I'm Ava, and I've been testing Google Flow quite a bit lately, and today I want to show you one of its newest features called Storyboard Studio. One of the trickiest parts of AI filmmaking is moving from an idea to a sequence of scenes that actually feel connected. You've got characters, locations, shots, and dialogue, and somehow all of those pieces need to stay organized while you're building the story out. This is exactly where Storyboard Studio comes in. So by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to take a story from a blank page to a fully animated scene with synced dialogue, and you'll have a repeatable workflow for every project going forward. The tool we're using today is called Google Flow, and if you want to follow along, I've left the link in the description below. Let's jump straight in. To get started, create a new project. Once you're inside the workspace, open the Tool section from the left sidebar. There are quite a few tools here now. Things like Sketch Tool, Mockup, and Magic Mask. And you can even build your own custom tools, which is something I'll dive into in a future video. For now, scroll down until you find Storyboard Studio and open it. Before building anything, the first thing you need to decide is the visual style of the world you're creating. You can build a fully custom style if you want, but for this walkthrough, I'm going with the 3D animation preset. Once you've selected it, click Get Started. And that takes you straight into the Script tab. This is where things start getting interesting. I'll paste in my story, and Flow automatically breaks it down into scenes, actions, and dialogue. The reason this matters is that it removes almost all of the manual pre-production work most people get stuck on. I expected a rough outline, but the breakdown that came back was genuinely usable. It's not perfect, and you'll still want to review it yourself, but it handles the heavy lifting, so you're not starting from a blank page. Next, head over to the Assets tab. Normally, this is where the slow part begins, building characters, locations, and props one at a time, but Flow automates a huge chunk of it. Click Autofill Characters, Autofill Locations, and Autofill Props. Flow reads through your script and starts generating assets based directly on the story you wrote. And you're not locked into anything here. If a character or location doesn't match what you had in mind, you can regenerate it or adjust it until it actually fits. Once your assets are ready, move over to the Storyboard tab, because this is where everything starts coming together. You'll see your scenes already laid out as storyboard frames. At first, they're empty, but click Autofill Scene, and Flow uses your assets and script together to generate shots for each individual scene. These aren't random images either. They're built directly around the world and story you've already established, which is why this step feels different from just generating pictures. You're not imagining what the film might look like anymore, you're actually seeing it, scene by scene, shot by shot. One thing worth mentioning before you go further, save your project. Closing the tab before saving wipes your script breakdown and structure, and you'll have to rebuild everything from scratch. So don't skip this. Once your project is saved, the next step is giving your characters a voice. Open the Characters panel, select a character, and choose a voice. Then preview a few options before locking one in. I wouldn't rush this part. A voice can completely change how a character comes across on screen. Repeat this for the rest of your cast. Now for the final step, turning your storyboard frames into actual video. Open all media and select the frame you want to animate. Then click Add to Prompt. From here, you can animate the scene using Agent Mode or Standard Mode. I prefer Agent Mode because it saves you from having to write a perfect prompt yourself. Just copy the scene from your script, paste it in, and the agent builds the prompt for you. One small detail that makes a real difference here, use the @ symbol and tag the character involved in that scene. This helps Flow understand exactly who should appear in the shot. Once everything's ready, hit Generate. Look at that fine prize. Too much work to outrun an old man. Let's outthink him instead. I'm in position. A few moments later, your storyboard frame becomes a moving scene with AI-generated visuals and dialogue.
Where did you go?
Are you lost?
That's actually synced to the action. That's the difference between a generic generation and a directed one.
Go home, little star.
And that's the full Storyboard Studio workflow inside Google Flow. From a story idea to a finished animated scene with voice and motion built in. With this, you can take any story you write and turn it into a structured, animatable project without touching 5 different tools to get there. If you want to start building your own storyboard today, the link for Google Flow is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.